Have you ever pondered over the enigmatic allure of the seven seas? The allure indeed is as deep and vast as the oceans themselves. For centuries, our oceans have been a source of fascination, mystery, and endless exploration. They've been the backdrop for countless tales of adventure and the heart of numerous legends. From the chilling tales of the Bermuda Triangle, known for its mysterious disappearances of aircraft and ships, to the alluring myth of the lost city of Atlantis, believed to be submerged somewhere in the depth of the Atlantic Ocean. The seven seas have always held a captivating charm. These waters are not just a vast expanse of blue, but a treasure trove of underwater phenomena, some of which continue to baffle even the most brilliant minds. There are strange underwater sounds picked up by hydrophones, the origin of which remains unknown. There are also the mesmerizing bioluminescent creatures that light up the ocean's depths, casting a glow in the darkest corners of the underwater world. But the mysteries of the seven seas are not just about unexplained phenomena or lost cities. They are also about the incredible discoveries that have been made beneath the waves. From ancient shipwrecks and forgotten artifacts to the discovery of new marine species and underwater ecosystems, our oceans continue to reveal secrets that enrich our understanding of the world. In recent years, human activities have also left their mark on these waters, leading to new mysteries and challenges. The impact of climate change, ocean pollution, and overfishing are just a few of these pressing issues, forcing us to reevaluate our relationship with the seas. Join us as we dive into the depths of history, exploring the earliest underwater discoveries to the most recent ones. As we venture beneath the surface, we'll unearth the stories that have shaped our understanding of the seven seas and the world around us. So, brace yourselves for an exciting journey into the mysteries of the deep. Our journey begins thousands of years ago, when humans first started exploring the underwater world. The curiosity to uncover the mysteries of the deep oceans was as boundless as the waters themselves. The earliest explorers ventured beneath the waves, using primitive yet ingenious methods such as diving bells. These simple structures, lowered from the surface, allowed brave adventurers to descend into the abyss and observe the wonders below. Over time, these diving bells evolved into more advanced contraptions, including the early submarines, which were often human-powered and provided a safer, more controlled means of delving deeper. These early submersibles allowed explorers to venture further, enduring the crushing pressures and the inky blackness of the deep sea. The fruits of these daring escapades were the earliest recorded underwater discoveries. Among them were ancient shipwrecks, offering a glimpse into the seafaring past of our ancestors. These maritime graves, preserved in the cold, salty depths, told tales of exploration, warfare, and commerce that spanned the globe. In addition to these man-made relics, early explorers encountered a myriad of marine life, some familiar and others utterly alien. From the ethereal jellyfish to the mighty sharks, the oceans teemed with a diversity of life that both awed and terrified. These early encounters laid the groundwork for marine biology, enriching our understanding of the world's most abundant yet least explored habitat. These early explorations laid the foundation for our understanding of the seas, paving the way for more advanced technology and discoveries. From the humble diving bell to the high-tech submersibles of today, our journey into the deep is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. It's a story that reminds us of our enduring desire to explore and understand the world around us, a narrative that continues to unfold with each new dive into the depths of the seven seas. Fast forward a few centuries, and the invention of the submarine changed the game entirely. Submarines, these marvelous machines, redefined how we explore the Earth's final frontier. They allowed us to venture into the dark abyss, beyond the reach of sunlight, deep into the ocean's heart. And in doing so, they unlocked a world brimming with mysteries and discoveries that altered our perspective of life on Earth. The impact of submarines on underwater exploration is profound. They've transformed our understanding of the ocean's depths, shedding light on environments once deemed inaccessible and unveiling creatures once thought to inhabit only the realm of fantasy. From the iridescent scales of the anglerfish to the mesmerizing dance of bioluminescent plankton, the submarine has been our window into a world that exists in perpetual twilight. One of the most significant discoveries facilitated by submarines was the final resting place of the infamous Titanic. Over 7 decades after its tragic sinking, the Titanic was found 2.5 miles beneath the surface of the North Atlantic Ocean. This discovery, made possible by the advancements in submarine technology, not only provided closure to a historical mystery, but also highlighted the extraordinary capabilities of these underwater vessels. Submarines have also enabled us to reach the deepest parts of the ocean, like the Mariana Trench, the deepest point in the world's oceans. This trench, more than 7 miles deep, is a realm of extreme conditions where life exists against all odds. Discovering such places and the creatures that inhabit them has allowed us to expand our understanding of life's resilience and adaptability. Submarines have been instrumental in mapping the ocean floor, revealing underwater mountains, valleys, and even volcanoes. These maps have given us a better understanding of the Earth's geological processes and have also been vital in studying climate change, as the ocean plays a crucial role in the Earth's climate system. Submarines allowed us to delve deeper than ever before, unearthing secrets of the sea that had remained hidden for millennia. Their impact on our understanding of the underwater world is immeasurable and will undoubtedly continue to shape our exploration and knowledge of the ocean's depths for generations to come. In today's world, technology continues to revolutionize our understanding of the oceans. Remote-operated vehicles, or ROVs, and sonar mapping have become invaluable tools in the exploration of our seas. They allow us to journey into the deep-reaching places that were once thought inaccessible. ROVs have become the eyes and hands of scientists, capturing stunning images and collecting precious samples from the ocean floor. They've discovered vibrant ecosystems thriving around hydrothermal vents and cold seeps, where no light penetrates and pressures are crushing. These discoveries have expanded our understanding of life on Earth, showing us that life can exist in the harshest of environments. Sonar mapping, on the other hand, has allowed us to see what lies beneath the waves. Using sound waves to map the sea floor, we've uncovered underwater mountains taller than Everest, deep trenches that could swallow Mount Fuji whole, and vast plains that stretch out for thousands of miles. We've also discovered the existence of underwater rivers and lakes, complete with their own waves and shorelines. One of the most notable discoveries in recent years is the twilight zone of the Great Barrier Reef. This area, located between 100 and 500 feet below the surface, is home to a plethora of unique marine species that have adapted to life in this dim, cold environment. The discovery of this twilight zone has highlighted the need for conservation efforts to protect these fragile ecosystems from the impacts of climate change and human activities. As we continue to harness the power of technology, we've also begun to uncover the impacts of our actions on the oceans. We're now able to monitor ocean temperatures and acidity levels in real time, providing valuable data for climate change research. We've also been able to map the extent of coral bleaching events and track the movements of marine animals, helping us to better understand and protect these vital ecosystems. As technology advances, so does our knowledge of the sea, bringing us one step closer to unraveling its many mysteries. But our relationship with the seas is not one-sided. Human activities have left a significant mark on the ocean. From the towering mega-cruise ships that carve through the waters, to the insidious impact of illicit activities on island communities, our actions have ripple effects that extend far beneath the surface. The seas have become a playground for human ambition, and the consequences are staggering. Let's consider the cruise industry. The largest ships are floating cities, with carbon footprints to match. The pollution from these behemoths is a significant issue, and the industry is split about the path forward. There's a growing demand for smaller, more sustainable vessels, but the allure of the megaship, with its promise of revenue and popularity, is a powerful tide to resist. Then there's the darker side of human activity. In places like Fiji, the rise of the meth trade has transformed the island from a tropical paradise into a hub of crime and addiction. The impact on the local community is devastating, but the effect on the marine environment is equally concerning. The drug trade fuels poverty and desperation, leading to overfishing and environmental degradation. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are glimmers of hope in the form of sustainable practices and dedicated conservation efforts. Resorts are stepping up to protect the vulnerable sea turtle populations, assigning shore guards and sea turtle nannies to safeguard nests during the critical breeding season. These efforts are paying off, with thousands of baby turtles making their way to the sea each year. Climate change, too, is a pressing issue. Rising sea levels and warmer waters are wreaking havoc on delicate marine ecosystems, and the need for action has never been more urgent. But with every challenge comes an opportunity for change, and it's in our hands to shape the future of our seas. Our actions today will determine the future of our oceans and the countless species that call it home. So what does the future hold for underwater exploration? As we delve deeper into the 21st century, the boundaries of underwater exploration continue to expand. The convergence of technology, curiosity, and necessity is paving the way for some awe-inspiring possibilities. We're standing at the cusp of a new era, one that challenges our understanding of life on Earth and possibly beyond. In the not-too-distant future, we could witness advancements in underwater robotics, revolutionizing our capacity to explore the seas. Imagine autonomous drones, capable of navigating the most challenging underwater terrains and reaching depths that were previously inaccessible. These advancements could unlock new scientific discoveries, from understanding the complex dynamics of ocean currents to uncovering new marine species. But the future of underwater exploration isn't limited to our earthly oceans. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, we find celestial bodies that present intriguing possibilities. Take Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, for example. Europa's icy surface hides a vast ocean that could be twice the volume of all of Earth's oceans combined. Future exploration missions aim to pierce through this lunar ice shell and explore the alien ocean beneath, seeking signs of extraterrestrial life. Moreover, the future of underwater exploration could also focus on mitigating human impacts on the seas. The advent of new technology may help us better understand the effects of pollution, overfishing, and climate change on marine ecosystems. This knowledge could be instrumental in developing effective conservation strategies and ensuring the longevity of our oceans. Lastly, let's not forget the role of underwater exploration in the tourism industry. The cruise sector, for instance, is continually pushing the boundaries with larger and more luxurious vessels. Perhaps in the future, we may see submarines as an integral part of these cruises, offering passengers an immersive experience of the underwater world. As we look to the future, the mysteries of the seven seas continue to captivate us, promising endless possibilities for discovery. Our journey through the history of underwater exploration has been nothing short of fascinating. We've delved into the mysteries of the seven seas, marveling at the wonders they hold. From the earliest days of underwater exploration, where the brave and curious dared to venture beneath the surface, we have come a long way. The advent of submarines, those remarkable vessels, open new avenues of discovery, allowing us to probe deeper into the ocean's depths more safely and efficiently. In our quest for knowledge, we have embraced modern technology with open arms. We've harnessed the power of sonar, robotics, and advanced diving equipment to extend our reach further into the abyss. These tools have revealed a world teeming with life, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest marine mammals, each playing a crucial role in the ocean's complex ecosystem. However, our journey has also shed light on the profound impact humans have had on the seas. From the towering cruise ships that split the industry in two, to the devastating effects of the meth trade in distant Fiji, our actions echo through the ocean's depths. We've seen how our activities above the waves can ripple out, affecting the delicate balance of life below. Yet within these challenges lie opportunities. The future of underwater exploration is bright, filled with promise and potential. As we strive to understand our impact and work towards sustainable practices, we also continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. We're on the cusp of new discoveries that could change our understanding of the ocean and our place within it. As we continue to explore the depths of the seven seas, who knows what secrets we will uncover next? Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.